Meaning of detergent.
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 Detergent. Detergent is a cleaning agent that helps to remove dirt, stains, and grime from various surfaces. It is typically used for laundry, dishwashing, and household cleaning. Detergents work by breaking down the hydrophobic properties of dirt and oil, allowing them to be easily washed away with water. The result of using detergent is a clean, fresh-smelling surface that is free of stains and dirt. Additionally, many modern detergents contain additives such as enzymes and surfactants, which can help improve their cleaning power and effectiveness.